Hi guys, welcome to this Unity quick tip. Today we're going to look at how the colour picker in Unity can be used to select colours from outside of the Unity interface. As always, if you prefer written instructions, you can find a link to the text version in the description. To demonstrate this, we'll create a new 3D project. We'll set the size of the Unity window so that it only fills half the screen. Then we'll open our browser and position that in the other half of the screen. We'll then search for an image of a meadow. We'll add a material to the project by clicking the plus button on the project panel and selecting Material. If we then click the colour picker next to the albedo colour in the inspector, we are able to pick a colour from anywhere on the screen, whether it be from Unity itself or from the image of the meadow. Okay, that covers everything for this tip. I hope you found it useful. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks guys!